Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by pulling the latest assessment notice and calculate the assessed value versus market value using recent comparable sales within 6 months. Gather deeds, prior assessments, building permits, and a current broker price opinion or appraisal. Check for available homestead, senior, or disability exemptions that can reduce taxable value by fixed amounts or percentage reductions. Note your local appeal deadline and the exact documentation required. Then create a checklist with dates and file names so you can confidently proceed to gather evidence and meet the deadline. Compile an appeal package that proves your assessed value is too high. Include at least 3 comparable sales, photos showing condition, building permits, and recent repair estimates. If your case is complex, order a professional appraisal. Typical appraisal costs range from 0 to 00 and can be persuasive evidence. Prepare a clear 1-page summary comparing your property to comparables and quantifying value differences. Organize exhibits with labeled tabs, and prepare a concise oral statement for hearings that focuses on the most compelling numerical discrepancies and factual errors. Adopt long-term tactics to lower yearly property tax burden. Apply annually for homestead and other exemptions, and learn portability or transfer rules that preserve those benefits when you move. In jurisdictions with assessment caps or freezes, confirm whether annual increases are limited to percentages such as 2 to 5%, and ensure your assessor applies those limits. Maintain detailed records of capital improvements, invoices, and depreciation where applicable so you can dispute overvaluation or misclassification. Review assessments every year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.